TikTok ads. At the time of writing this training, TikTok ads were not available to all countries. They were certainly available in the United States. To see if you can place ads on TikTok in your country, please go to https://ads.tiktok.com. TikTok started to show short ads in January 2019. Later, in April 2019, TikTok launched the beta version of their managed service platform, which created a biddable ad environment. Reps from TikTok will run ads for you, but this is sure to change. So here, we want to explain the types of ads that are available on the TikTok platform. There are a few things that you need to know about TikTok ads first. You can only use in-feed video ad. This is sensible as the platform is renowned for its short video clips. You have the choice of 3 different models with these ads. 1. Cost per click, CPC. 2. Cost per 1,000 impressions, CPM. 3. Cost per view, CPV. This is a 6-second view. In terms of audience targeting, you can go for gender and age as well as geo-targeting at state level. Going forward, TikTok plans to introduce other targeting options such as behavioral, interest, and more granular demographics. At the moment, there is no minimum spend requirement, but TikTok does encourage their advertisers to make an investment in ads that will be large enough to produce results and generate leads and sales. There is a feature to create custom lists, but you will need to use a physical list for this as CRM integration isn't currently available. In time, there will certainly be a self-ad serve option and useful integrations. Brand Takeover Ads. If you want your ad to appear when a user opens TikTok, then the Brand Takeover ad is right for you as it will present your ad front and center. With this type of ad, you will be able to drive TikTok users internally or to an external destination. Only one advertiser can use a Brand Takeover ad per category per day. Over time, this is going to make these ads pretty expensive. At the top of the screen, the user can elect to skip the ad if it is not of interest to them. With Brand Takeover ads, you will be able to measure reach through click rates, unique reaches, and impressions. These are going to be effective ad types as the ads will be user-friendly and designed to have an impact on the target audience. The Hashtag Challenge ad. The Hashtag Challenge ad is all about encouraging user-generated content by requesting TikTok users to participate in a challenge that showcases your brand in some way. Challenges are very popular on TikTok, so if you get this right, then you can expect some very good results. Hashtag challenges are so successful because they capitalize on the natural tendency of TikTok users to create their own content and upload it to the platform. When you go for a hashtag challenge and the representative from TikTok will partner with you for a period of 6 days, which will be the length of your ad. It is a good idea to find a good influencer partner for your hashtag challenge ad as they will be able to extend your reach considerably. The right challenge idea will result in a lot of organic engagements on the TikTok platform. Branded lens ads. If you are familiar with the AR lenses offered by Instagram and Snapchat, then you will find this to be a similar concept. With branded lens apps, you can use 3D objects, face filters, and more. A branded lens can provide a very deep level of engagement on TikTok. When you have the support of the user base, this will be a very good way to get your message out there. In-feed native ads. If you like the Instagram story ads in full screen mode and believe that this kind of approach is right for your brand, then the in-feed native ads from TikTok could be the right choice for you. You will be able to add a link to your website in these ads. Of course, as with other types of ads, the in-feed native ads have a skip feature for users that have no interest. With this type of ad, there are a number of options available to you when it comes to design. You will be able to measure the engagements you receive with this type of ad, as well as total views, viewing times, click-throughs, and impressions. Your in-feed native ad can be between 5 and 15 seconds in length. The video must be in vertical format, and it will display on the TikTok user's For You page. There are some call to action choices, such as visits to your website and app downloads. TikTok ads will certainly improve over time. It is in the company's interest to attract advertisers and keep them as happy as possible. At the moment, the TikTok ad system does not have the sophistication of Facebook ads or Instagram ads, but this will get better as the platform continues to grow. At the moment, ads on TikTok are probably going to be the cheapest that they will ever be, so we recommend that you give them a try. There is certainly a large enough user base to make this worthwhile for you. As with all social media ads, it is a good idea to tweak them and mix it up. Seeing the same ad all of the time is not really a good thing on social media. Test all of the ads that you place and take the time to work out why some perform better than others. All of your ads will need to blend in seamlessly with the TikTok platform. The reps will ensure this right now, and even when the platform goes self-serve, ads will probably still require approval from TikTok. Fun, entertaining, and consistent ads are the most likely to win the day. Anything that encourages participation is going to have more appeal. So, if you want to use TikTok ads, you need to plan your content and let your creativity flow.